Data Privacy Audit, a comprehensive guide. This guide provides a comprehensive overview of data privacy audits, covering key steps, tools, and best practices. Scope and objectives. Scope: identify and document all data processing activities within the organization. Determine the types of personal data being processed. Assess compliance with relevant data protection laws and regulations. Objectives: identify potential risks and gaps in the organization's data privacy practices. Ensure compliance with applicable data protection laws and regulations, ensure that data subjects' rights are respected and facilitated. Data inventory and mapping. First, define scope and objectives. Clearly outline the scope of the data privacy audit. Second, identify data sources. List all data sources within the organization, including databases, file systems, applications, and third party services. Third, catalog data assets. Create a comprehensive inventory of data assets. Fourth, map data flows. Diagram how data flows within the organization and between systems. Fifth, classify data. Classify data based on sensitivity and regulatory requirements. Data privacy assessment. First, define scope and objectives. Determine which data processes, systems, and departments will be audited. Second, gather information. Identify and document all personal data processed by the organization. Third, evaluate data collection practices. Ensure that data collection practices comply with the legal requirements and organizational policies. Fourth, assess data processing and storage. Evaluate how data is processed, stored, and protected. Data privacy tools, data discovery and classification tools. These tools help identify and categorize sensitive data within an organization systems. Data inventory and mapping tools. These tools assist in creating and maintaining a comprehensive inventory of data assets and mapping how data flows through an organization. Compliance management tools. These tools help manage and monitor compliance with data protection regulations and internal policies. Data privacy report in executive summary, a brief overview of the audit objectives, scope, key findings, and recommendations for senior management. Audit findings, a detailed description of the audit findings, including any areas of non-compliance, vulnerabilities, or risk identified. Recommendations, specific recommendations for improving data privacy practices, addressing identify risk, and achieving compliance. Data privacy action plan. First, finding summary. Summarize the key findings of the data privacy audit. Second, recommendation summary. Summarize the recommendations made in the audit report. Third, action items. List the specific action that need to be taken to address the findings and recommendations of the audit. Fourth, priority ranking. Assign a priority ranking to each action item based on its urgency and importance. Conclusion: data privacy audits are essential for organizations to identify and mitigate risks, ensure compliance, and protect data subjects. By following a structured approach and leveraging appropriate tools, organization can build a robust data privacy framework that fosters trust and meets regulatory requirements. Thank you.